Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Rahul and in this video we'll be showcasing a challenge called Web Obfuscation by MLSC CTF 2022. So I wanted to specifically show this challenge because of one of the reasons that it has broken access control and how you can leverage it. Now before I move on to the exploration part, let's just read the source code first. First of all, you get to see that the form action field, which is login, it has been commented out. So let's just leave this part for a moment because nothing is going to happen right as of now. But here you can see that there's a function that gets automatically executed as soon as you press on the submit button. Now as you can see here that there is some hex values present right over here, and the authentication right here is client side authentication. So the username and the password will be present right over here. So our goal is not to find the username and the password, but to look at how this workflow is being executed. Now if you see here, if I click on the submit button, the function that will be executed is called log data. So if I go to the log data function, you'll see that this there's a var object, and then there's a constant fx function. This is the username field which will take its values from this variable right over here, and the password field will take its value right from here. Now if you can see that this is a conditional statement, which means the next statement which will be executed will be dependent upon this statement and this statement. So let's just see. So if the username is not equal to this, which is 0 1 2 3 4, so if you decode this and the username is not equal to this, then it will execute this. But if the username is equal to this, then the password field gets executed. Now it will again check if the password is equal to this, so which is the sixth item, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if you get that password right, it will execute the fx function, otherwise it will show you an alert. Now if you go to the fx function, you can see here that it will display some kind of alert, which is the last value I'm guessing, which is the 8th one right over here, and it will straight away send you to the /flag directory. Now what happens if I were to leave this authentication page and straight away go to the flag directory? As you can see, it says authorized, you are authorized, but you'll have to try a different value. Now what does that mean? So that got me thinking that there might be a cookie value stored here. So as you can see, this is a cookie. So let's just try to intercept a request. Let's send it right over here and let's send it to intruder. Let's just remove if none match. This might create some problems, and as you can see, our value gets highlighted over here. So it gave us a hint that we need to change the value field. So let's just start from 1 till 20, and in the options field, let's just make our work a bit easier and see whenever it finds this string in the response, we'll know that we do not have our flag, but if it finds it, then we'll know that that will be a flag. So okay, go back. Number of steps is going to be 1. I'm sorry about that. So let's just start the attack. As you can see, we get 1 1 1 every time, so except for this. So this might have our flag, which is this. So thank you guys, this is it for the video.